Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about a C++ coding program and I'm using an online compiler, that is the program is C++ online compiler. You can see the URL from this top line. ठीक है जी? The URL stands for Universal Resource Locator and it will locate your website on a internet. So in online programming, when you open this, you will have this program written already. That is the first program always shown whenever you try to start this compiler. It already give you a welcome code. There are another, you can use these compilers for C and for Python, for Java and for JavaScript also. So we are using C++ compiler. In line number 1, it double slash mean this is a comment. This is a comment that online compiler to run C++ program. This is just to give you a clear idea or just to show you what the program is going to do. In line number 2, there is hash. This hash in C++ is called preprocessor directive. This direct the processor to include this file. This is a header file, IOStream. This is a special file which have all the instructions that will provide our computer processor that how to display, how to output and how to take input from the user and how to display on your screen as an output. All the instructions are here. That is for your processor. Line number 3, which just leave empty just to have some space. It's nothing to do with the program, just to have a little gap. And line number 4, here we this is where the our main program start. This statement tell the compiler that our main program will start from here and the program will be written in curly braces. This the opening curly brace is on line number 4 and the closing curly brace is the at line number 9. So these line numbers are not that much important. It's just for the you can say the betterment or the better view for the lines, as there are codes of lines, so you can understand which line number. So these line numbers are not included in the C++ programming. These are just to show it, just to make a friendly environment. It is just provided by the compiler of programmers to just show you which line number you are working. On line number 5, again there is a comment. This comment or this remark is just to tell the user that what are going to do. These are not for the compiler. They are not going to be converted into binary language. In line number 6, the actual program is here. That this is what we have written. That standard STD stand for standard input output double colon C out two angle brackets and then the hello world. If you have done programming in any other language, you know very well every time we have to say hello world on screen, we have to display it just to show our first program in that language. So C out is a keyword. Keyword stands for like the word which have predefined meaning in every language. So in C++, C out mean to give output on the screen, and what you write in double quotation is the output of the screen that will display on the screen. Again, line number 7 is empty just to show a gap so you can clearly understand, nothing to do with the programming. And line number 8 is the return, that you have to return something but not any value, just to return that we have to see something on the screen. When you run this program, the output will be displayed on this side. So here it is. I said the double quotation mark, whatever you write will display on the screen. This is not for you. The upper line, this is just the compiler's own thing to do. So this is how we do the C++ first program.